Hello and thanks for watching Gary Teaches Maths. I'm continuing to go through the Edexcel 2019 paper 2 and this is question 6. And so what this is a question about finding an error interval, and we're told that a calculator has been used to work out a value of a number y, and the answer on the calculator begins by saying 8.3. So we've got y is 8.3, but then it's actually going to continue with a few more digits. So we've got to complete the error interval for y. Now what this means is the range of values that y could actually be. So we can see there are several options for what the next digit could be. So it could be that the answer is y is exactly equal to 8.3. So 8.3000, for example, going on forever. So just 8.3. Or it could be the case that y is equal to 8.3 and then 9's continuing on to forever. So in fact then the lowest value that y could be, which is the one that's going to go here, would be the 8.3, because we could assume that actually there's nothing beyond this 3. We could assume it's zeros all the way, which actually would mean that the calculator would just display it as simply 8.3. So that's the lowest value, and it could be equal to it or greater than it, the true value of y. So y could actually be 8.3. And in fact, then it's saying it's less than a particular value. Now, what that means is then that if I wrote 9's to going on forever, well, the true value would actually be just less than 8.4, because 8.39 continuing on is actually less than 8.4, but not quite equal to it. So that's our upper bound there. And that's actually it. It's so this question is about basically understanding the range that the values could be in, and understanding that either we could have no digits after the 3 there, or we could have a load of 9's, which would mean we were less than 8.4. And that's the finished answer there. It would be very easy to get this mixed up with one that said, if I'd rounded up a question to 8.3, what would be the range there? Now, in the case of rounding, if rounding to 1 decimal place had given us this, then the range there would be between 8.25, so y could have been greater than or equal to 8.25, or y could be less than 8.35, because we could look at that on a number line. We could say, well, here's 8.3, the next one up would be 8.4, and the one below would be 8.2. And in fact, if we give a value rounded to 1 decimal place, then the value itself is within a range that's between the 8.35, the midpoints, and the 8.25. And it would be very easy to get this question mixed up with this situation. So don't do it this way, this second way. I'm just showing you in case there's any confusion, and it'd be easy to think, oh yeah, it can't be the answer I've given initially. But if you think about it, the options are on a calculator display that it's either 8.3 and that's it, or 8.3999 as the largest possible answer. So this is the actual correct answer if we consider the error interval for y. This would be the answer that I've given here if we'd rounded the answer, the true answer, to 1 decimal place. But in this question, question 6, this is the way to do it. So I hope that's been helpful to you. If it has, please like our video and subscribe to our channel, which is Gary Teaches Maths. And for more help, visit our website, which is bestmathstutors.co.uk, and it's just here at the top left. And we've got lots more videos about maths, and also we can find tutors and other articles about maths as well. So thanks for watching.